can hear raindrops tap dancing on the roof. It's like they're calling out, don't lose your youth, 'cause I can stay inside and tap away inside all day. Just a little less mundane. Oh, I can stay inside and tap away inside all take today. Oh, doesn't it?
Good morning, everyone! Welcome back to another vlog. And today, guys, time check, it's already 6:24. Ang usapan po namin ay 3, na naging 4, na nagising ng 5, at ngayon ay 6:24 na po. Magta-travel kami ngayon, guys, papuntang Banff. Dito ka. Oh. Alika rin dito, kasali ka sa vlog. Naantay pa po namin yung dog sitter namin. Kasi hindi siya pwede sa van. Hindi siya pwede sa gondola.
Ayo, may nagtatampo. Hala, kawawa ka naman, Jeggy.
Lazy Sunday mornings, hiding under covers. I don't mind staying in with you. Play your favorite movie, laying right beside me. I don't mind when it's just us two. That corner coffee shop we like to go. Late night walks with you to take me home. With you I never feel alone.
These little songs make me glad to call you mine. And you have got my head in the clouds.
1, 2, 3. All that I need is your body next to me on rainy days. Just need your company, don't need too much. Just your simple love and it's everything. The simple joy of hearing your voice every morning. I wake to a kiss on my face, so I don't need too much. Just your simple love and it's everything.
Hi, everything.
Mag-hi ka na sa vlog.
Ay, tinagaw. Oo. Ano yun? The father is dead. And the grandma is gone. And the beautiful mom is here.
Ang ganda na.
Hi.
Bakit wala ako?
Nasaan ka?
What's your outfit?
I put this sweater on with these boots.
What's
These
the Uggs?
brown boots. Yeah, these are the Uggs. And then I got this hairy like a lizard.
May ubo pa.
To the heavens above, where we fall in love. I don't know what I would do without you, because all I need is you. Make me fly to the clouds. 1, 2, 3. All that
Oh, grandma.
is your
Namiss mo ata ang snow, ah. Stop over. How are you doing there, Kananing?
Oh, busy ang ano natin, little girl.
Ayan na naman. Kukunin na naman niya yung bata.
I've been out of my head, can't get out of bed. Too much on my brain, but got it good, can't complain. It's like I'm losing my mind, and time's hard to find. What's a girl gotta do to catch a break up? When life tries to test me, I take it one day at a time. Yesterday, but look at me today. It has been so long since I wrote a sad song. Sunshine on my face, I'm feeling okay. Now put a dress on today. I don't care what you say. And I'm ignoring my phone, so don't try to reach me. I can't do nothing for you, so don't ask, I ain't coming through. Cause I'm running away to my own world, that's where I'll stay. When life tries to test me, I take it one day at a time. Cause I was crying yesterday, but look at me today. It has been so long since I wrote a sad song. Sunshine on my face, I'm feeling okay. Nothing's in my way. I'm good, I'm good, I'm good, I'm good. Nothing ever stays the same. There's always room for better days. Now I know how to live life with a smile on my face. Nothing ever stays the same. There's always room for better days. I was crying yesterday. Look at me now.
Kasi may cord siya, hindi siya wireless.
Alright, ma'am. Thank you.
Just a minute, don't go away. I have to give you your cat.
Yeah.
Everybody's so excited today.
I don't usually cry at all, but wow, is it always close, ranging from a movie scene to made up people in my dreams. The last time, if I recall, was a feeling of being alone. I don't know if where I'm going isn't far, but in case I go, no need to be stressed, gotta take it home.
What up, motherfucker?
Hey everyone, we are here at Banff. It's cold. It's 2 degrees. Ayan. Hey, Antonin, come here.
Recording it.
He's not recording it. Teach him how to do it.
Okay, click the red button.
Hey everyone! So we are already here at Banff. Ayan, nagpicture-picture lang kami dun sa Welcome to Banff, Banff na signage nila. And now, we are heading to the gondola. Doon na kami magla-launch and then mag-gondola experience din kami. Dito lang muna ako. Dito sa mga nakakatanda, dito tayo. Kasi yung mga bata-bata nagmamadali sa buhay. Dito tayo yung mga above 30s.
Ever since we left, I guess it just makes sense to what the reasoning was when I said, in case I go, no need to be stressed, gotta take it home, get there. I really miss the shade of blue. Ooh, just take it slow. I'll wait to find love, better hear the call again. For now I will feel the ocean view, and I pray that it won't be over soon.
Umulit tayo hiking tayo
Na?
Tapos yung maulit ka, umulit tayo.
Hello! Bye! You'll go with the cool kids. I'll go with the oldies. Rami, mag-hub ka agad-agad kasi may iwan ka.
Hi,
Hey! Bye!
Bye, Joy.
Bye! Bye na! Bye! Yay! Oh, Grandma, you go first.
You guys go.
Bye, honey.
Off we go.
Yes!
Walang hawakan.
Walang habakan! Kaya nga tinalikuran namin yung ano yung patas.
Wala akong hinahawakan.
Yan sa buko mo.
Ay, dito pala. Nice ang view.
7,000 yan. 7,486
Fit?
feet.
Nice. How do you feel?
Nag-i-snow pa me. Buti nga siya may hood na eh. Ako nga wala eh.
Ano yung
Hi! So,
Mali yung posisyon ko. Dapat dyan ako. Para makita ko yung pag Oo nga, yung pag ano. Kasi nakatayin. Tapos pag, hi everyone! We're here at the Gondola. Gondola. Doon o. Maganda rin ang view ko.
Dito, ayoko yung nakikita yung...
ayaw niya nakikita yung nasa likod. Ayan.
Yung layo oh.
Seryoso si Papa niyo kasi ayaw.
Kikapunta sis.
Mahigpit ba yan?
Nakakapunta sis. Ang kapit ay parang tuko.
Oh, may kumakapit din doon. Di baling nakatay.
I don't wanna go fly. It's too high.
Time has been slow, it seems. Cover your face while we blame the 19. So many different scenes, growing from what I've seen. Everything's one routine. All of 19. Staying in quarantine. Blame the 19. Staying in quarantine.
Picture ko mga sir. Gusto ko pa. Kakagigil. Dapat talaga ako. Hindi kami natatayo kami. Hindi to nakaka-fresh sis. Guys, dito muna kami sa loob. Papainit. Bago kami umakyat.
Maganda doon, mas maganda ang view doon.
Ano ba ito eh?
60 bucks yun.
Ah, tasa. 19.99. Tasa.
10% off?
50% off. So parang $10 na lang siya. It's slippery.
Nothing like your smile in the morning. Following the linings on your cheeks. Cause baby, in your absence, life is boring. So I'll never leave. It's easier to love when it's you by my side. Shining through the cracks like the first morning light. Feeling like a child through the days and the nights. Living in your arms as years go by. It's easier to love, oh, oh. Easier to love, oh, oh. There's nothing like the way that you adore me. I can feel love from miles away. And the light in your eyes tells me stories of life in a more perfect place where I wanna stay. It's easier to love when it's you by my side.
Grabe yung hangin guys. Yung lamig okay lang sana eh. Pero yung lamig eh. ay yung hangin eh. Oh my God. Kung nasaan yung mga pang winter ko nasa luggage pa. Ay, wrong choice of outfit. Kasi si mother eh, pinagporma-porma lang niya ako eh. Where are you gonna say, father?
You'll be the one that's by my side to lift away from me. And if I find myself in reckless days, you'll be the one to pull me back into reality. Nothing like your smile in the morning.
Yeah! We did it! Woohoo!
Kami lang yung nakakyat, yung mga week dyan nagpaiwan sa baba. Nagpaiwan yung mga hindi makakyat tsaka mga nilalamig.
Hindi naman masyadong malamig. Pag tumigil ka lang talaga malamig. Bagay sa pang-restaurant.
Natati ko it's my body's way to cope with the cold.
You leaned in closer, I should have kissed you. Your hair was longer, I pulled away from you. Moved to the city.
Sabi ng mga viewers ko, bakit puro na lang sila hi?
Ay, bakit naman ang liit? Why that's too small?
TikTok ang
Magwaki-waki ka na.
gunggong ka.
Happy birthday, Father, ka naman.
Ay, ko na rin.
Dapat wala pa naman na kasi akong talent. Hindi kaya hindi pa ako may talent ko yan.
Nakakaawa naman po yung grandma po namin. Nagsasariling sikap na lang po sa naman. Ito po yung vlogger na. Vlogger, oh my God. Vlogger yarn.
Happy yarn mo, di ba?
There's the boogie one.
Wonderful!
Oops, you too. Ay. Senior citizen natin.
Now more than ever, the broken pieces fit. Scars and confetti, sawmill and Pontiac clips. I kept Valhalla, I still want everything. I'll be your sweater, you be my wailing wall. Fighting like Gandhi, when all the lines are down, you dream of flying along the Zuyder's Zee. The sky was yellow, I still remember. Think I know you.
Ayaw yan ni Tito Makoy.
Before it started to song. It's all around you now, you're coming.
Stop! Ay, oh, maganda nga. Yung kasi hindi kasi kita. Yung kanila.
Oh, sa'yo ma'am.
Wala.
Yung kamay mo, grandma. Natakulak mo.
Ay,
Life is gonna be great. Can't you see I just radiate? Now I'm dusting off my wings. I go hovering high up there. 'Cause now I've shaken off the weight. I don't need it. I'm free and clear without any fear. Here I go, 'cause my life's taking off. There's no ceiling, I broke down the walls. I'm on fire, I can't be rattled. I'm on top, I've won my battles. Here I go, 'cause my
Nandito na po kami sa hotel. Canal Lodge. Ayan. So, nagpapainit lang kami ng food kasi may mga bawal kaming food. Siyempre, rice tayo, guys. Ayan. Tour ko lang kayo dito. Tig-isa kami kumuha kami ng 3 rooms para sa buong pamilya. Dito sa mas malaking room. Dito kami kakain. Hi, Tanon. Say hi to the vlog. Sleep ka na talaga. Kain na. Adobong beef, kamaris, adobo, tapa, itlog, saging, kamatis, fried rice, at iba pa.
Sana yung ano?
Parang tsura lang.
Pag pag matagal ka lang sa Canada, ganito maglakad ako. Ayan, kahit natutulas kaya pare, Ganun dapat.
Nay, oh my God. You okay? Hindi mapawin ka rito, mga kapatid.
Ba't pa lang to?
Fall pa lang.
Warm up pa lang.
She laughs. I like the way she dances barefoot in the grass. Yeah, we get along alright. 'Cause I've been dating me my whole life. Afternoon sun starts to peek through